In an earlier video, I demonstrated how I'm going to start including in my Agile project management course the concepts of portfolio management, program management, and how they pertain to project management, because I think that P3 perspective is really important. If you're going to be a project manager, you need to see your project into that wider perspective of either a program, if it's part of multiple projects, or how your project fits into a wider portfolio. I've extended that now, and what I've done here on this flip chart is I have shown how the Agile program management principles align to the Agile project management ones. I thought it was an interesting sort of comparison really, because you can clearly see here that the program management principles are wider. They look at the wider sort of business perspective, whereas the Agile project management principles are, I think, much more about getting things done, but getting the right things done, I think is the emphasis. If I just look at the top two of the program management principles, you'll see that it's all about the program goals being aligned to the business strategy and benefits being realised really as early as possible. And I think that principle of we must deliver and we must realise benefits so that they can cross-fund later work is crucial, and I think that could apply to a programme or to the whole portfolio, to be honest. And I think that dovetails very neatly with the Agile project management principle of focusing on the business need. You really can't achieve the focus on the business need unless you understand the wider business strategy and unless you understand where your project fits into the wider portfolio of things. I think also we've got the idea of governance focusing on creating a sort of coherent capability. Well, I think that also sort of is the wider picture of get stuff done, which really goes to the heart of Agile project management, building incrementally and developing iteratively. So that engine room of getting things out there, getting things in use and starting to realise benefits. So that theme continues. And lastly, we have the idea of decision making being devolved down to the lowest possible level. And I think that affects both the principles of collaborate with whoever's relevant to collaborate with, and also it demonstrates control. Give the control to those who really know what it is they're talking about. I hope you enjoy this idea, and I'd love to see you on an Agile project management course soon, because we can really stretch our thinking and get into program and portfolio management as well. Thanks.